Alright, so today we're in the garage and we're at my house, but we are working on our 2020 Polaris RZR Pro, and we recently just got a new Gibson exhaust installed on it. We also today are installing the Aftermarket Assasins diverter valve or blow-off valve for the turbo. So we're going to do a little bit of a test just to hear what it sounds now with our exhaust and the stock diverter valve, and then with our new blow-off valve that we're putting in from Aftermarket Assasins. So let's give it a listen and see what the new Gibson exhaust sounds like. So this is brand new. They got a nice little beauty plate that they installed at the top as they removed most of the shroud from the back, the plastic. It's got some nice little chrome tips. The matte black looks really good. I think it goes really well with the rest of the plastic, so it blends in, it looks really clean. It doesn't stand out, it's not really over the top. It sounds really good, pretty aggressive, but I think the best way is to give it a rip right now, and let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Give me just a second. Alright, there we go. So that's what it sounds like, the new Gibson exhaust. Sounds really good, pretty stoked on it. It looks really awesome. I really can't wait to get out and really hear what it sounds like under some good power when it's really going. But yeah, we just got it put on, so we haven't really given it any tests, but we're taking it out next week, and then we're riding in Utah, so we'll definitely get some more sound out of it. So the next thing we're going to do is the diverter valve. Let's take a listen, see what the stock diverter valve sounds like right now. And then I already got the tub pulled out. The beauty of this car, I mean, I love this. 4 bolts, boom, tub comes out, full access to the engine, full access to everything back here. It's beautiful. I love it. It's fantastic. So there's our stock diverter valve down there. I already got a little flashlight on it. You can kind of see, there it is in there. So let's give that a listen real quick and just kind of see what the stock one sounds like before we put in our new one from Aftermarket Assassin. Okay, so that was the sound of our stock diverter valve or blow-off valve, and it sounds actually better now that we put the exhaust on it. I felt like with the stock exhaust, you really couldn't hear it as well, but since we put the new Gibson exhaust on, I feel like this stock valve makes a little bit more noise. You can hear it a little bit more, and the blow off kind of is a little bit more present. But I do hear that the stock ones are made a little bit cheaper, and they tend to get too hot and melt and have an issue. So that's why we're swapping ours out. Plus we want to hear some better sound. So let's swap it out and see what it sounds like. Okay, let's have a look real quick. That's pretty much it. Flashlight. There we go. So she's done. It's all in. Let me show you the area where I plugged it off. And there's our plug right in there. So I'll just zip tie. I'm going to zip tie that hose to the other hose. And then, yeah, that should be it. Okay, let's put it back together and then see what it sounds like when we drive it. Alright, so we just pulled our RZR Pro out after finishing up a couple of extra things. Put a roof on it. We finished wiring up our PCI race radios and our headsets. So we have our headsets just hanging. The new hangers right there, looks pretty good. We also have our installation complete on the center console, including our microphone, our walkie-talkie is mounted right there. Push to talk for the driver at the top of the steering wheel. Push to talk over here for the passenger. We've also added this roof on top, just a quick little deal we picked up online. So that'll make do for our stock cage for the time being. We also added this box in the back. So we have extra storage. This is a 70-liter storage, and it's good for even making it into an ice chest, but we're gonna use this one as just our regular storage in the meantime. There's also easy release, so it has these really cool release pins. That's it. You pull these out, there's 4 of them, and then the whole box comes out, and then it's in. It's secure, nice and tight, it's not going anywhere. It's really legit. Our Gibson exhaust is all done. Check that out. Got the black exhaust with chrome tips. Nice chrome Gibson logo across. Little beauty plate up at top right here, kind of closing everything off. Looks really good. Need to do some cleaning down here now. We also installed a new blow-off valve back here from Aftermarket Assasins. So right in here we have our new blow-off valve that we installed, and then a plug. Gonna zip tie this right here. But that's our new blow-off valve installed. And there's our car, complete for the time being. Waiting on some wheels and tires, and obviously the next upgrade to come. Just give it a quick walk around. It's looking pretty good. Take it for a little test drive, and let's hear the how the new blow-off valve sounds. Okay, let's see what it sounds like with the new blow-off valve and our new Gibson exhaust. I like that. That sounded really good.